Howdy. This morning I would be changing this diesel filter, but I won't be able to film and change the filter at the same time. So what I'm going to do is tell you all what I would be doing. Firstly, disconnect these hoses, these two hoses. You take out this one. That's the thing working with one hand. Then you get the other one out. Once you disconnect the hose, you would work them out. There are two different sizes, so you cannot go wrong in putting them together. Once you take out the line, there is the sensor connector right here, which you have to disconnect, and yeah, once you got the hoses out, you disconnect the sensor or whatever it is. You take out the two bolts, then you lift the filter up. Then you turn it down. Before you do anything, you have to make sure that the filter you have is the right filter. This one doesn't have the plastic on it, and it is bigger, it is longer. Okay, the filter isn't the right one, so I would have to go to town and get a filter, but this would have to come out. The filter would have to come out from the housing. If you cannot get it out, you put it in a vise and you try to take it out. So I'll pause the video for now until I get the replacement filter for it. Yeah, this is another day. I've received the filter. This is the new one. This is the old one. Whenever the filter comes, it comes with a O-ring. It comes with a new O-ring. So you could put down here. And you have to clean the surface of this and also of this and also that before you put it on. So I need both hands. I'll pause the video for now and I'll resume. Yeah, I put the pump in. I start the vehicle, not the pump, the filter. And I start the vehicle, but when I realized I didn't connect the sense wire, I looked at the camera and noticed it wasn't recording. So let me go through what I did. I placed the filter. I connected the hose. You cannot mistake the hoses. One is big, the other one is smaller. Then you have to connect the sense wire back. And this is a plunger. You pump in. It is, when you place it, it would be soft. So you would keep on pumping until it gets harder. When it do get hard, that means the filter is primed. So then you would start the vehicle. When you do start the vehicle, you let it run for a little while before you put it on. This is it for the replacement of the diesel filter. If you find this was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. Until the next one, goodbye and thank you.